gosh. Onti-onti na ako naging kuripot. You feel pretty, you feel amazing doing it right now. In such a long time. Good morning everyone, and today is a new day, and right now I'll be getting ready to go to Sanla kasi I'll be buying groceries and also eating out lang. Yung grocery na bibilhin ko ngayon is just basically para masustain ko yung sarili ko right now, but yung big purchases ko na groceries isasabay ko na lang siya next time na lumuwas parents ko cause I don't want to spend that much money. I'll just be buying small stuff, canned goods lang, para meron lang akong makain for the meantime before pa sila lumuwas. So let's get ready, guys. A lot of people have been asking, a lot of people, ano daw? Some people have been asking for my makeup routine. So I've been thinking of doing a video about that, kung ano yung normal makeup na ginagawa ko. But it varies kasi, depende sa event. Ayun, abangan. I might make a video about it. For my sunscreen, I use Centella lang kasi it's the best for dry skin in my opinion. Yung normal na ginagamit ko dati, yung Derma Plus yata, yung color yellow. But for me, it's not good on dry skin kasi number one, may white cast siya. Even though it's a good sunscreen in general, it just doesn't moisturize my skin that well. Kaya I switched back to Centella. Ito talaga gamit ko before, but I stopped using it kasi akala ko mas maganda yung isa, but no. It makes my skin drier. So, I'm done getting ready. Pero ang aking pinapag-isipan ngayon is if I should grab or move it na lang doon. Or mag-in-drive ako kasi mas mura siya. I'm trying to save money right now kasi, I don't know, ang napapansin ko, onti-onti na ako nagiging kuripot, and I think that's a good thing kasi I used to spend a lot talaga dati. Pero ngayon, I've been thinking about money more seriously. Kaya, actually, medyo nagtaas na nga prices ng Move It ngayon eh. Inaaral ko recently kung paano mag-commute around, like sa LRT or sa jeep. Pero, hindi ko pa kasi siya nararanasan na may kasama, and like, hindi ko gusto ma-experience for the first time na mag-commute mag-isa. Pag mag-isa ako, gets ba? Like, need ko muna siya maranasan with other people para alam ko yung routes, and then, magiging sanay na ako. Pero meron akong tirang food, so ipapa-take out ko na lang for later para meron din akong dinner. Madami pa naman yung serving and busog na ako. Pupunta na akong hypermarket, basta yung grocery dito sa Sanla, and then I'll pick up all of the necessities that I need, and then I'll go back home. Okay, yeah, that's the agenda. Yeah, I think that's all I need to do today. Wala akong list of things to buy though, so feel ko mapapabili ako ng mga hindi ko naman kailangan. The goal is to stick to what I actually need. Pero since wala nga akong list sa notes app ko kung ano kailangan ko bilhin, feel ko hindi ko mapakontrol sarili ko. Lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, wag ako pupunta sa mall pag Sunday. It's so packed nga. I keep forgetting. Sobrang daming tao talaga. Plan lang din kasi to. It wasn't planned. Grocery ako kasama parents ko today. Sa SNR na lang. Kasi luluwas dapat sila, but hindi sila natuloy, so I have to get my own food. And I need to cook. I can't keep ordering out. It gets expensive like after a while. And also it's unhealthy. So yeah. Okay, grocery
haul. I think it's good for 2 weeks na yung binili ko. And some of this, magagamit ko pa siya within 1 month. I say I shop smart. And also, napagkasya ka siya sa budget na sinend ng parents ko. So, that's good. First purchase is Quaker Oats for my breakfast. Oh my gosh, I have the best recipe. Personally, I have the best recipe for edible oats talaga. Kasi most of the time, oats don't have taste. Pero the ones that I am able to make, masarap siya. It's good and it's healthy too. And it's good for the metabolism because it's super high in fiber. I bought some tuna, Gold Seas, my favorite brand of tuna. Pero normally, the flavor that I get ay yung chunks in chili oil. Pero wala silang available. So I just bought the olive oil one. Some corned beef, cream cheese, and jam, and garlic lang. Yeah! Safeguard. Safeguard is the best, guys. I remember I had such bad acne and chest acne before. Once I started using Safeguard, it got better and ngayon wala na siya. So, it really does work. But yeah, that is all. I'm gonna fix my groceries and then what am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do pa. Pero, for now, yun palang gagawin ko. Guys, I'm so sad. Kasi diba nag-takeout ako dun sa Marugame, tapos nung nag-grocery ako, nandun siya sa basket sa ilalim. So I got the one na dalawa yung basket. Tapos nung nagbabayad ako, tanda ko hawak ko pa siya. And then pagkasakay ko dun sa Grab, oh my gosh, wala na siya sa kamay ko. So, I think naiwan ko siya sa grocery. And like, oh my gosh, dinner ko sana yun. So, sayang talaga. Like, nanghihinayang ako kasi ang dami pa nun. Kalahati pa yun nung kinain ko. And it's gone. Oh my gosh. Oh well. I'm thinking if I should film a get ready with me video. Yung hindi nagsasalita. Yung like makeup lang right now. Like tatanggalin ko makeup ko and then I'm gonna refilm it for Reels or sa TikTok. Wala lang. Trip ko lang. Cause I'm very bored and wala akong magawa. So, I'm thinking about it. And also, parang try ko din mag-edit ng mga portrait type na videos. Because I'm so used to editing vlogs on YouTube. Pero yung mga TikTok vlogs, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Na-post ko na, guys. Wait lang. Natatawa ako. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang ang tagal nyo nang hindi nagpo-post. Tapos pagka-post nyo, ilang beses nyo papanoorin yung picture nyo. Tapos parang ang narcy nung dating. Kasi, bakit mo pinapanood sa sarili mo? Pero hindi, okay lang yun. Naiya ako. The first time ko mag-post ng like transition makeup kinemerot. It's so exciting. I also spent like 2 hours doing my makeup kasi diba, naghilamos muna ako before I did this kasi this is a different look. Ang ginawa ko kasi differently here, I made my under eyes brighter and also naglagay akong eyeshadow compared dun sa kanina. Yung kanina kasi, nung lumabas ako, wala siyang eyeshadow. But yeah, I really like this look. Wala, natatawa ako sa sarili ko kasi kanina ko pa siya pinapano. Wala lang. It's so nice. Like, it's so, Even though, like, wala namang brand deals, ganito, ganyan, and hindi naman ang influencer. Yet. Not yet. Not yet. I'm not closing that door. Pero right now, parang hindi naman ang influencer parang gumawa ng ganitong videos. But, I don't know. I like to post. I don't know. I don't see the point of, like, kailangan mo may reason para i-post. Kasi account mo naman yun eh. Diba? Parang lagi ko sinasabi sa iba, pag sinasabi nila sa akin na, oh, nahihiya ako mag-post ng ganito, ganyan. I don't think it's the right time to post this. Ganon. Like, gets ba? Tapos lagi ko sinasabi na, account mo naman yan. If you're doing something harmless, and you're doing it just to satisfy yourself, and you feel pretty, you feel amazing doing it, then why not? Tapos post it. Because memories mo pa rin yun. Sobrang helpful talaga ng archives ng IG or TikTok. Kasi hypothetical na wala phone mo. You don't have your old videos anymore. You don't have those memories. So, why not post it para at least if ever makalimutan mo, ang dali niyang balikan. So, yun lang ang aking TED Talk for tonight. Okay, right now, I'm thinking about what to eat for dinner kasi nga nawala yung dinner ko dapat kanina. So, I'm going to be cooking corned beef and
That's going to be my dinner. It's currently 7:58 na, and yeah, I know that's very late. For me kasi, normally, ang dinner ko, kinakain ko talaga siya around 4 to 5 p.m. Na-late kasi ako kanina because of the errands that I ran. Kaya I have to adjust my dinner time. Ano to ng roommate ko? So, like, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-operate. Itong induction cooker, hindi siya akin. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano siya paganahin. Saan ko to lalagay? I'm gonna place it here. Oh my gosh! Muntik na. Oh, my camera!
What the dog doing?
Okay, good morning. As you can see, yung mata ko ngayon, it's not looking the best. Oh my gosh! Lalo na kagabi, I'm gonna leave pictures. Basta ang daming nangyari kagabi. After I finished vlogging, nanonood lang ako habang kumakain. And then, bigla kong naramdaman na parang ang katinong kabila kong mata. Hindi ko naman siya kinakamot. Humiga na ako. Tapos bigla kong naramdaman na, oh my gosh, parang lumalaki yung eggyosal ko. Parang kumakapal siya, ramdam ko siya. And then, hindi ko muna pinansin kasi akala ko, like, rashes lang. I turned my camera on and I was like, oh my gosh, sobrang laki na nung this part ko. I sent a picture to my family, tapos they said, wag ko daw kamutin, ganun. Sabi ko, okay, I can do that. Biglang, onti-onti ko siya na-feel na lumilipat siya sa taas. I don't know, it felt like this part, yung eyelid ko mismo, it was growing. I thought I was just imagining things. And then when I turned on my camera, again, lumipat na siya sa taas. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I feel like this was an allergic reaction to something. I'm not sure if it's makeup or the food I ate. Pero kasi, corned beef, lagi ko yung kinakain. Didn't use any new makeup products kahapon. So I don't know where this came from. I don't really care naman na I'm vlogging and I look like this. It's okay. Ano lang, if you're wondering lang bakit hindi pantay mata ko ngayon. I took cetirizine ngayong umaga and hopefully mag-swell down na siya. But other than that, wala talaga akong magagawa. It came at such a bad time too. Kasi nakapag-book na ako ng Spider-Man tickets online. Hindi siya pwede ma-refund, hindi siya pwede ma-reschedule. So, I have to attend kasi sayang yung bayad. I was planning to go on a solo date today kasi, wala lang, I haven't had time to go out by myself. But then I remembered may nabook nga pala akong tickets and I really want to watch the new Spider-Man. So, okay lang. Iisip ko kung magko-contact lens ako ngayon, but I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk this getting worse. So, mag-glasses na lang ako to keep it safe. But I don't really like how I look with glasses. Medyo na-weird ako because the glasses I have are really black. Like, the rim is very dark. I don't know how to explain it, pero it just looks a bit weird, a bit off on me. I think this is good. This is all I'm gonna put on my face because anything more, I'm scared na it's gonna make this worse. So nga pala, fit check natin ngayon. So, I'm wearing a sweater or a cardigan and then a Bershka top lang na peplum. And then my pants from Vietnam. New Balances as always. But yeah, this is the fit. I wanted to just wear a skirt and a short top pero naisip ko it might be cold sa sine. So I put on this cardigan na lang para hindi ako lamigin. But yeah, I'm going to be going na and see you. Bye! Okay, so I'm at Virtus North na and my movie starts in about an hour pa. So I have a lot of free time and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I was thinking of buying coco and then buying churros. Sige, fine. I'm gonna buy coco na lang. Advice ko pala, never take cetirizine before going out because I'm so sleepy right now. Sobrang inaantok ako and feel ko, hindi ko alam na aabot ba ako dun sa movie without sleeping. So hopefully, maging okay ako before the movie starts kasi inaantok na talaga ako. Like, I'm feeling so drowsy right now. Ano niyo kung bakit ako nag-book ng ticket kahit mag-isa ako? Kasi ang dami kong inaya na iba, like my friends. But they all have different schedules and like, busy kasi recently. Pero sabi ko, I don't have to wait for anyone naman. I can watch it by myself. So ayun, I booked it. I realized na parang okay lang naman kahit mag-isa ako if I really want to watch the movie.
What the dog doing?
Hi guys! So, it's an entirely new day. If you're wondering ano nangyari kagabi, grabe, sobrang eventful. I just had like the craziest experience na parang I thought I was going to pass out. Kasi diba, I took cetirizine the morning of my solo date kasi I had an allergic reaction before. Tapos parang it felt like the entire movie nung sa Spider-Man. Good movie by the way, like super ganda niya. Pero it felt like I was about to pass out and parang sobrang nilalabanan ko talaga yung pagiging drowsy and pagiging sleepy ko. Kaya nung padulo na nung movie, my head was hurting so much because I was trying to fight off the drowsiness and yun yung side effects. I don't know, in general, I was just not feeling well. So, parang may migraine na ako noon. Tapos, it was just not the best. And mag-ikot pa sana ako after nung movie sa Vertis or sa Trinoma. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, like, I can't. I just need to get home right now. Like, ASAP kasi if not, maano talaga ako, mahimatay talaga ako dito. So, I tried booking a Grab, tapos walang natanggap. Sabi ko, ang tagal, I need to book now. So, nag-book na ako ng Move It and I got home safe. I would not advise that kasi mamaya mahimatay ako sa Move It. What would happen to me, right? Whenever I get an allergic reaction, I normally take cetirizine at around gabi talaga para diretso tulog ako. So, that was the first time I was experiencing na ganun kalala yung side effects and oh my gosh, I was so scared because I thought I was going to pass out. And also, my eye is looking a lot better now. Nawala na yung pagiging swollen niya, so I'm happy about that. I'm just gonna be swimming here with my friend and we're going to be cooking dinner. Pasta mamaya kasi we both have ingredients, so why not? I enjoyed the movie though. Like, I enjoyed my solo date. That was so fun. I haven't taken myself out in such a long time. Kaya it was fun to kind of, you know, like spend time with myself again. It was such a fun experience. And sobrang ganda talaga nung movie. For me, isa siya sa best Spider-Man movies of all time. If not the best. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba yung umiyak. Pero I had a lot of moments where I cried talaga during the movie. Ay, ayun. Tapos, kung ano na yung nangyari pag uwi ko, as in, pagkadating ko sa unit, binaba ko lang bag ko. Tapos hindi na ako nagtanggal ng clothes. Like, oh my, I know, kadire. Pero, I was so tired. Like, my head was hurting so much. And parang humiga na lang ako. Tapos legit passed out. And then I woke up at around midnight na. What happened? Like, oh my gosh. Tapos chinek ko yung oras. I didn't know the side effects could get that bad.
So, we're done swimming na. I took a shower and si Iya, pumunta muna siya sa unit niya to shower then. Pero on the way na sila pareho ni Alina. But we're going to start making the pasta na. We'll be making sun-dried tomato pesto cream pasta. Gets niyo ba yung vision? This is my big pan for this because I think we'll be making a lot. Let's just put the angle here. Ooh. Aking special recipe. Huh? Hindi mo tatanggalin skin yan. Huh? Wala siyang skin.
Oh my God. Hindi lang sinabi ko.
Wala siyang skin.
Totoo ba?
Oo.
Eto.
Hungarian sausage kasi yan. Ala, tinanggal.
Hindi natatanggal.
Hindi mo tatanggalin skin niya. Ano to, live in? Pag-jowa.
Tapos, ano ba?
Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.